Hey there, Luke with Canix here. Today we're going to be covering an update to Canix's processing job functionality, the ability to open a processing job, discontinue a processing job, and submit and create output packages on a processing job with a note. This is in addition to Canix's current processing job capabilities, where today Canix opens and finishes the processing job in one step when a manufacturing run is submitted. So this adds a number of pieces of functionality to processing jobs in Canix, adding the ability to open a job and keep it open until we are ready to finish and submit it. I am in Canix in our manufacturing module here. We have set up a manufacturing batch that is currently empty, and we'll go ahead and add a run to show what it looks like to open a processing job from a manufacturing run in Canix. So adding this run here, I'll just add one from scratch. We'll say run 1, and it's going to be the extraction run type, and we'll save. And if we are in a Canix facility that supports processing jobs, we'll now have this processing job actions button on our manufacturing runs. There are two actions currently housed here in the processing job actions dropdown: start processing job and discontinue processing job. These are both currently disabled since I don't have any source packages allocated to the run yet. And we can see here, Canix says you need a compliant source package to start a processing job. So until I add a source tag, I won't be able to start a processing job from Canix. Similarly, I don't have a processing job that is currently in progress, so I can't discontinue a processing job from this run. The first step here will be to go ahead and add an input. We'll select an active input package we have here, select to finish it. Now we have package tag 96 allocated, and in the processing job actions, we have start processing job available for us as an action. When selected here, we will select the processing job type we want to use. And so let's match it to our Canix run type extraction. And then we'll see the source tags that we're going to use on the processing job. So I'm using package tag 96. I'm going to be using all of the package, one each. And then Canix shows you after we use that one each, we'll have 0 left since we're using all the package. Since Metrc actually uses the inventory on the processing job, this is the true remaining package quantity on both Metrc and then in Canix here when we add this and open a processing job. Once I select start, Canix will push this processing job to Metrc and open it. We'll see that we have a toast success message that the processing job started, and now we have that one source tag allocated, and the processing job type has been updated to extraction here. If we update our processing jobs in Metrc, and we'll just filter by start date, we'll now see that we have this processing jobs 1 active in our Metrc. We have the source tag 96, one each used of the item that we pulled here. Since we haven't created packages yet, this is empty. We can see here on the history side, we've opened and created this processing job. Now that we have opened the processing job, we would be able to discontinue it if we would like. If you select discontinue, Canix will open a confirmation modal to submit the discontinuation or to discard and continue on with the processing job. The next step in our processing job functionality in Canix would be to create our outputs and submit. So let's say we are creating our vape case item here. Say we're doing 100. Say it's in compliance location. And we are pulling all of that source quantity in. And I will pull the lowest available Metrc tag that we have here. So we've added our output tag here. This has not been sent to Metrc just yet. This will be sent to Metrc when we submit and finish the processing job. And so here, Canix shows you that we will be submitting and finishing the processing job and creating the output packages that are listed here that were added to the run. We have package tag 1341 of 100 each. And here I can now enter a note. So let's say we want to say processing job note, and we can submit and finish the job. Now we'll see that this run has been submitted successfully in Canix. And on the Metrc side, if we go and refresh, this will not be an active processing job for us anymore. This will live in our inactive processing jobs. We'll see we have that source tag of 96, and we created that one package tag of 1341 of 100 each of the vape case metric item. I hope that this update to processing jobs in Canix provides much more functionality to your operation and flexibility with opening, discontinuing, and then submitting processing jobs with notes. And thank you for watching.